sometimes it can alter the sounds in your stomach, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to look at your stomach. And before I begin, I'm going to wash my hands, okay? You haven't had any distension, any problems with that, or have you any scrubs? Okay? So I'm going to come back to your stomach. I just want to listen to your carotid artery. Okay. Brachial. It's gonna happy. Okay, I'm gonna listen to the aorta now, okay? Iliac artery on both sides. Was your renal artery? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a light palpation, light touch to your stomach. Just tell me if you have any tenderness anywhere. No?
Nope.
A little bit more firm. And while I'm here, I'm going to just feel your abdomen, your aorta, as well as the iliac artery. And the renal. Okay, great. Also gonna percuss. So I'm gonna tap your abdomen, okay? While I'm over here on the right-hand side, I'm going to look for if I see, able to hear your spleen. And move along your abdomen. Now I'm gonna percuss for your abdomen, for your liver, okay? As well as your bladder. No tenderness?
No.
I'm also gonna touch her, see if I can feel your bladder. Okay. Now for this part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hand behind your back. You're gonna take a deep breath in, I'm gonna put some pressure. This is looking for your liver, okay? And breathe out. Now for this next part, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna bend your knees for me. Just slightly turn to the right. And then in and out. And this is just trying to see if I can feel your spleen. No pain?
Nope.
Great. So next, you can actually sit up. For this portion, what I'm gonna do is have you actually